Everyone, today we will be discussing about the concept of slotted aloha. Slotted aloha, in this process you are said to be reserving certain slots for the purpose of back off. It will be repeated later, maybe after some time. The slotted aloha repeats the frames which are said to be pending, or they are said to be colliding with each other. The stations are said to be synchronized with certain time. Okay, each and every station is said to be having a sync. Like if it is said to be executed in 5 seconds, it will execute in 5 seconds only. No changes will be there in the slots. Okay, and even the first slot which is there in the frame, it will be executed first. Afterwards, maybe the other slots are said to be executing one by one. And the back off interval, it may be multiple times, because if a slot is said to be reserving its place, the slot may be sliding once again back. So that may happen. That is said to be a vulnerable period at which the slots are said to be pending back, and they may be taking a back off maybe later. That process is there in the slotted aloha. Whose slot is said to be executed late, they can execute late, plus even they can move multiple slots at a different rate. That is called as a slotted aloha, in which you are said to be having here also the concept of time out. Time out means what? Certain amount of time the frame may be coming out of that particular list, they may execute later. For that reason, a timeout is being implemented in the process. Okay. The throughput of this slotted aloha is nothing but S is equal to GP, as we discussed earlier. It is the same as your aloha, where it is said to be considering the number of intervals which are being traveled and number of loads which are being considered over the aspect. Okay, so here it is said to be G multiplied by 1 minus P to the whole n, which is nothing but G by n. P is nothing but G by n, which will be equal to the exponential format G e to the power minus G. That it is said to be your throughput for the slotted aloha. And the waveform you can check out here how it would be executed. Your aloha is said to be here. Okay, and your slotted aloha is said to be present, which is a higher version, which gives more accuracy compared to that of your aloha. So slotted aloha gives a more accuracy, since it is taking a back off when it is said to be needed, and only it takes a back off, and it is said to be slotted, nothing but they are said to be given a slot in which then they are said to be executed back. Okay. Then there are various applications of aloha. You can check out here. If I want to reserve certain slot in the particular traffic, I want to reserve the slot, then I can reserve for repetition once again. The cycle may repeat once again after certain time, because of some problem the data may be stuck up. That is said to be there in the slotted aloha, and each cycle has a minute slot for each and everything. Minute slot is nothing but it will be given a slot. In that particular slot only takes a back off period, and once again it may return back. And the stations are slotted aloha during mini slots to request the slots. Mainly the many slots are said to be requested before they are said to be getting a slot. Like they are said to be reserving certain place for execution earlier than that of any other. Slots are being considered in the cycle. Okay, its cycle executes within that particular time, it slots, it moves once again, it may repeat it back after certain time. So slots are important in the aloha concept, where you can reserve your slots to be executed later, so that it doesn't waste the time when it is in traffic. So it's an important concept when you are learning in the network part, that aloha has the most important application where it can be repeated later also. Okay, this is the thing which we have studied. Okay, thank you.